Hello, welcome back to another episode of my channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you how to text on TikTok. Keep watching this video, do not miss any part. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, open up the TikTok app. Now from your home screen, head over to the inbox section. Now tap on this icon on the top right of your screen. After that, search for a person that you want to text. Once you found the person that you want to text, tap on chat button. Type in the message that you want to send. You can add on some emojis to your text by tapping on emoji icon, or you can simply send GIFs. After you're done with typing a text, tap on send icon. Now go back to the inbox section and check the message that you have sent. Here you can see the message that you have sent, and just like that you can text anyone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today, and I will see you in the next one.